How to send automated messages on Slack. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Slack account, and then in here we'll have to go under the apps option and then tap on the Slack bot option. If you still don't have this app on your Slack, what you need to do is to tap on this add apps, and then in here go on the search bar and then search for the Slack bot app. After that, simply tap on the add option. Once you have the app here, all you need to do is to tap on this one. After that, we'll have to go here and then write our automated message. So as an example, I'm going to type here, "Hi everyone, send your reports every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Once I'm done typing my message, what I need to do is to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on this arrow icon. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. What we need to do is to tap on this custom time option. So in here, we can now schedule our automated message. So as an example, I'm going to set the message to December 28 and then the time would be 8 a.m. Once I'm done, I'll just have to tap on this schedule message. After that, it will automatically show me this option here. To view my automated messages, all I need to do is to tap on this see all schedule messages. And as you can see here, I have 2 automated messages. So that's how easy we can send automated messages on Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.